Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut keychain crochet. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 colors of yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, and some fiberfill stuffing. Don't forget a yarn needle for finishing, a pair of sharp scissors, and a small keychain ring. Selecting a good quality acrylic yarn will ensure your donut is both soft and long-lasting. Next, let's start crocheting the donut base. Begin with a magic ring, then work 6 single crochet stitches into it. In the following rounds, you'll increase your stitches evenly to gradually form a flat circle. You'll need to make 2 of these identical circles, which will eventually become the top and bottom halves of your donut keychain. Keep your tension consistent for a neat look. Now it's time to assemble and stuff your donut. Place the 2 crocheted circles together and begin joining them with single crochet stitches around the edge. Remember to leave a small opening, about 1/4 of the way around, so you can add your fiberfill stuffing. Stuff the donut firmly to achieve that classic plump, round shape. Once stuffed, close the remaining opening with more single crochet stitches. Finally, let's add the delicious icing and attach the keychain. Using a contrasting yarn color, crochet a wavy, decorative layer to represent the donut's icing. Carefully stitch this icing onto your donut with a yarn needle. For a truly smart home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Lastly, securely attach your keychain ring to the top of the donut, and your adorable, handmade accessory is complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.